College is not meant to be you walk down the road and you're just gonna get there going down one path. The best part is that you get to explore. You're gonna find your way. It's not just gonna be one straight path. So there'll definitely be twists and turns, but you'll learn something and gain something along the way every single time. At first, I decided to do my first semester at community college. I then ended up visiting one of my buddies that came here, and it was history from there. Then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna finish up my one semester at community college and then transfer over to ETSU. So I'm in sports and rec management, but a focus in parks and recreation. I'm graduating in May and then get to start my job. Every step I've taken at ETSU has led me to having this job right out of college. I make my way to ETSU, and there's just something about it where I just wanted to join every little thing. Something about getting to meet new people here, getting to learn them, getting to be friends with them has really paved my path for a great future and a great successful future as well. But the first one that I joined was Expedition Leaders. And that's tour guides on campus. Everyone knows the big word community. That is what everyone says here at ETSU, but I wouldn't just want to tell them about it. I would be like, let me show you. So I was crowned the 2025 Homecoming King. And this was out of the world. Another program that I've been a part of is Outdoor Adventure. You're going out rock climbing, you're going out backpacking, and the best opportunity is that I'm the one that gets to lead these trips as well. I got to do an internship with Johnson City Parks and Rec. One of my favorite projects that we got to work on was at Wing Deer Park, and it was an outdoor classroom that we got to build for local schools to come out and learn outside. And then also the trail leading up to it was built by us. Forever ETSU was my first taste of Student Foundation ambassadors. The Student Foundation ambassadors are students that get to connect with alum. I think it's very important for students to give back just like the alum do. We want to keep moving forward, keep going down the success path, come together and work together and give back. Getting the opportunity to do all of these different organizations have taught me something way beyond the classroom, and that's just working hard, working well with others, and then just really making those long-lasting connections. And I want to thank all the donors that gave me the opportunities I had through ETSU. It has made a huge impact on me. They pushed me to do better and now have opened the door for me to have a future I thought I would never have. It really has been like cut the cameras, but like ETSU really has been the greatest thing that could have happened to me.